here. I'm hopping on the train to go to the city. I'm going to meet my cousins there. All of these people are going to the city for different reasons. For fun, business, or shopping. Everyone has a different reason, but they're all taking the same train. That's kind of how rhetoric works in a speech. The speaker uses many devices, but they're all in the same speech. Patrick Henry's speech, "Give me liberty or give me death," is about fighting for freedom. Henry uses 3 rhetorical devices to get his point across. There's hypophora, repetition, and parallelism. Let's look more closely at the specific rhetorical devices Henry uses in his speech. All aboard! First, let's look at how Henry uses hypophora. When you use hypophora, you pose a question and then immediately answer it yourself. It's like asking, "What's the cheapest car on the lot?" and then answering, "This one right here." Henry does the same thing when he asks, "Are fleets and armies necessary to a work of love and reconciliation? Have we shown ourselves so unwilling to be reconciled that force must be called in to win back our love?" And then answers, "Let us not deceive ourselves, sir. These are the implements of war and subjugation, the last arguments to which kings resort." Hypophora is a great way to make your audience curious and get their attention. Repetition is another popular rhetorical device. It draws extra emphasis to a point the speaker is trying to make. Henry makes this device easy to spot in his speech because he uses the word repeat. "The war is inevitable, and let it come. I repeat it, sir, let it come." Henry was ready for war, and by repeating "let it come," he shows people how serious he is. Parallelism is another rhetorical device that Patrick Henry built into the title of his speech. Henry uses the same phrase, "give me," twice to draw attention to his point. Either "give me this" or "give me that." Henry uses parallelism to show his strong feelings. Liberty is as important as life to him. Henry challenges his audience to join his fight for liberty. Patrick Henry puts his rhetorical devices together to build a speech people could get on board with. Speaking of getting on board, my train's about ready to leave. When I get to the city, my parallelism will be "give me pizza" or "give me nachos."